Today I want to show how to extract different icons or devices from Google Earth. For example, there is 3A in here. A device is 3, B device is 2, and C device is 2. I want to separate this A device. If there is a large number of devices, for say you have a 700 or 1000 device, how can you separate these ones? So this is a dummy example. You can choose to extract the devices in a short time. So for example, so I save this file in my computer desktop, and I name the file as test file and select the file in KML format. Then I go to this site, my geodata.cloud, here. So this is the online KML SX converter. I went there and choose the KML file from my desktop. Here it is. Then continue. Yes, convert now. Don't go there. First, you have a free trial. So it's a convert example. Download it. Then okay. Alright, here it is. So I want to choose only a device and delete the other ones. So I go there and apply the formula. If is number then find a device. So I say A, and targeting cell is in here. Then I say that if true 1 and if false 0. Alright, so you can see from here. Yes, so this is A, this is A, and this one is A. Okay, so I go there now, find and select option, and I choose, I need to delete 0, so I choose 0 in here, and also look in values. Select these values in here and find all. Then Control A, select all of them. You can see that it select the false values. Go to the delete sheet rows. Okay, it is selecting the false one, so I went to the delete. So select this whole column, then select find and select and choose 0, then select values, and of course in the format make sure that you select general one. then find all, then it control A, then it choose only the zeros below, go to the delete and delete rows, so it keeps only number of devices of A, not any other devices. And then go to the file, save as, and I'm saving this one as CSV file. Alright, okay, can say this one is only test CSV. Then I went to the file, then import, and go to the desktop and select test CSV. Then this is the comma and this is the file, and longitude is X and latitude is Y. You can see this is the Y value, this is the X value from here. Then next, the next, all right, okay, to finish, yes. So going there and change the color to red. Icons, you can choose any icons, so I select this one and so that okay, put in here, and you can see only there is a device, there is not any other device. So if you have more than 1000 or 2000 device or any other locations, then you can separate it from in this way. So in this tutorial, the summary of that, first I take the raw Google Earth file with multiple devices, then convert it to the KML, then KML to the Excel, then Excel to the Google Earth. Thanks for watching the video.